Welcome. In today's guide, I'll walk you through how to make everyone able to find you using your phone number on the Telegram app for PC. This is based on the latest update, and it only takes a few simple steps. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to adjust your settings so that anyone can search for you by your number. First, open the Telegram app on your computer. Once the app is open, look to the top left corner of the screen and click on the 3 horizontal lines. This will open up the main menu where you'll find all the essential options for customizing your account. From here, select Settings. Inside the Settings page, you'll see different options for managing your profile, notifications, chat preferences, and more. For what we need, click on Privacy and Security. This is where you control how others interact with your account and how visible your information is. Next, look for the section labeled Phone Number. Select it, and you'll find 2 main privacy preferences. The first choice lets you decide who can actually see your phone number. To stay more private, you might want to select Nobody. This way, people won't be able to view your number directly. The second and more important option is Who can find me by my number? This is what determines whether others can discover your profile if they already have your phone number saved. To make sure everyone can find you this way, select the option Everybody. Once you've chosen it, don't forget to click Save at the bottom of the page. And that's it. You've successfully updated your settings. Now, whenever someone has your phone number in their contacts, they'll be able to find your Telegram account instantly. This is especially useful if you want to stay connected with friends, colleagues, or anyone else, without having to share direct links or usernames. Keep in mind that even if nobody can see your number itself, anyone with it can still reach you as long as this setting is enabled. It's a great balance between privacy and accessibility. So go ahead, follow these steps, and make yourself easier to find on Telegram.